Are we ready for another day of wonder? Feel the ten. Let's see. I need to open Blender a few things. So. Wait, is this an... how come I don't see extensions? I forgot how to make it so you see extensions. Oh well. I don't know. I think it's an FBX anyway. Let's see. Blender aim for FBX. Now where is it? Okay. Hola Andrea. Why are these knob circle? Is that they're animations, but like I so do not trust it. Okay, how? Oh no. Was bad? Oh, there you go. That's what I wanted to do. It says that it has animations, but like doesn't check out. It's like these things are not linked to anything. I'm just gonna do a little cleanup and delete them. Delete this as well. Okay. And now we have the actual model that we can work with. Which to be honest, I don't wanna... It already has an armature. In theory, but... I kinda want to do this from scratch. I kinda do wanna do this from scratch. You know what I can probably like make a new collection. Make a copy. We copied everything anyways. Well, we will save that. Yeah, there were changes that I wanted to do here. I think I'm gonna delete the armature as well. What? Oh boy. That makes the entire thing huge, huh? Wait, rotate X like 90. Not center either. I'm gonna have to fix all of this anyway. Let's rename some things as well. So this is the tongue. Or chest, bottom. Stop. Yes, handles. Yes, handles. Good. Okay. Okay, these ones being like their own object is kind of weird. Oh god. What is this? Why does it have so many flying... What? How do you fix this in Blender? I'm gonna have to look it up. And how to delete floating vertices. Mesh, clean up, delete, loose. Okay. Mesh. Delete. Yeah, there is no cleanup of the option. Oh, no, there is. Oh, there you go. Much better now. What about the top? Do you have the same issue? You do have the same issue. Everything has that issue, holy. That is so weird. I have no idea why it will ever have that, but it has it. Ah, okay. Okay, so this is left. This is right. The thong seems to not have any loose geometry. Eh. I already forgot the command. Oh, there you go. Okay, there was nothing to clean. It was only on these ones. Okay, what I wanted to do today was like see if I could remove this teeth from here. Please separate them, make them their own mesh. So I could like hide the fact that I think it was Control P. I selection. This E. Stop. Okay, then we do the same for the bottom. Control. Just P, not Control P. Always forget about that. Okay, now We need to figure out how to do this. For example, the handles, I think they should be parented to the top. Like all of this should be. All of this should be together, yeah. And then this one is chest, teeth, bottom. Okay, for example, so if I get rid of the teeth and the tongue, all that remains is just a normal chest. Let's see. Shouldn't this thing be like a little bit more? I think I parent you as well? Why are you your own thing, but it's not selected here? What? Hello? How is that possible? I'm confused. What? Did I parent them to the wrong thing? Oh. Ah! Oh, that's how it... Oh, no. Oh, yeah, no, that's not what I wanted. I think it's Control J. Yeah, it was Control J. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I got that wrong. Ah, man. Remembering things. Let's see. I think I like this with L. Like this with L. Then I move local. And I want to move this a little bit up here. That's where it makes sense, right? Yeah. Okay. I know who I am. Now this is where we start doing the fun stuff. Let's see. I need to... okay, this is a perfect point to do what I want. What was it? Shift S, cursor to selected. Then we go to object mode and we do... And we do... Set origin to 3D cursor, there you go. That way, if we rotate this on the... we go back to global. We rotate this on the X, it's just a chest opening. Okay, so we get rid of the tongue, get rid of the teeth, close the chest. Okay, the closed chest looks a bit weird. Doesn't look quite right. But do I care? Like, this is very likely not gonna be like the final product anyway. So, do I care is a really good argument here. Like, I could move it a little bit to the Y here. If I do that and then I rotate on the X again, and I show these things. Oh, I rotate on the X. It still looks fine. Still looks fine. I think this is still acceptable. Ah, yeah, the tongue gives so much more personality. Yo, Kev, hello. How is it going? Okay, I think that's good enough. What? No, that's wrong. Oh. Yeah, why did you do that? There you go. Doing great, Kev. Just trying to fix this bottle up. Because it has some issues. For example, what's wrong with these faces? Why are they doing that? It was Alt N. Recalculate outside. Huh. Why are you doing this? Could it be because it's not a shade flat? Shade smooth. Hey, if I shade it smooth, it does that. But I think it's because there must be like some duplicated. Oh, that's amazing, man. Ah, man, I wish I could upgrade, but I think I'm gonna be stuck with this PC for like a long time. Ah, there you go. Yeah, they were duplicated. Let's merge by distance and let's increase the distance a little. Oh yeah, this is because this is not sharp. Or actually, what is this? Is this the bevel weight decrease? No, it's not decrease, it's the bevel weight. No, it's not the bevel weight either. What is this then? Hello, Panda. And Deer hasn't watched the funny. My life has been great, you know. We can definitely escape that for a while. I don't complain. Not a sim either. What the fuck is this blue thing? You look older. Okay, well. Thank you, man. Thank you. I needed that today, man. I needed it. Okay, I don't know what this blue light is. Like you work in a cartel with a beard. Yes, I've been stressing at GeoGuessr, man. Oh god, that fucking game. What am I doing wrong here? It has an armature modifier, but... Not edge crease. Oh, you marked them as sharp. There you go. And everyone's voice. Oh, you played the Persona 4 remake? Oh god. That's gonna be amazing. To be honest, but I don't know. I know it's gonna be great, right? But I don't know if it can top the original. You know, like, the issue with Persona 4 is like, is that first time experience, right? Like, Can you really top that? Oh wait, no, you just said, will you be playing Persona 4 Remake? I don't think so. Oh, and Silksong, yeah, everyone's fucking excited about that as well. For that, I'm not that excited, to be honest. I'm actually way more excited for... what was the name of the game? Project Dawn? I think it's called Project Dawn. Alabaster Dawn. Alabaster Dawn? This one. I am so excited for this. Which, I don't know if you saw it at Gamescom. They had a demo here, Panda. They had a demo of this game. Alabaster Dawn. This is like the only game that I'm excited for. And well, 2XKO from... This one is... I am so excited for this. I think it's gonna come out in the early 2026. Oh no, they haven't announced it. I know they're gonna release a demo soon. Resident Evil Requiem was amazing too. You know, I kinda just wanna do like a Resident Evil marathon in preparation for that game, you know? Like genuinely just in preparation of that game. Why is this wrong though? What the fuck is wrong with this? If I flip it, it's just bad. Having fun with topology? I'm not having fun with whatever the fuck is going on this face, bro. Like, why does he have this artifact? This makes no sense. Like, hello? This is not even topology, this is just... It's on drugs, man. Why is it doing this? Wait. Like, there must be like an extra vertices somewhere. Or could it be... The issue is the face? Oh. Okay, even if I extrude it, it's just broken. Yeah, it doesn't transfer the issue. No, it does transfer it. What? This is so fucking dumb. Let me... What if I just clear everything that's sharp? Like, this is not sharp anymore. It's still broken! What? It's not the normals. What's a way to like see the normals of the... You know, yeah, all the normals are fine. So what? It's wrong with you. Oh, I don't understand. Why is it getting this artifact? Could it be that they still has some loose geometry? Ash, cleanup. No, it doesn't have any loose geometry. Oh. Outer smooth. Okay, outer smooth seems to have helped. This makes no sense though. It's like, even if I just shade it flat. Is the issue inside? Oh, wait, the issue's inside. Look. Look, the issue was... No, it's not. It's not inside. I cannot see jack shit. Oh, what we're gonna do? I cannot see anything, so we gotta get rid of things. Wait. Oh god, really? No, fuck my life. I fucked up. Okay, wait. Get rid of this, hide. Okay, so from the inside, what's the issue? I'm literally operating on this. And like, I don't see an issue. I see no issue with it. It's perfect. It's just a fucking quad. Aye. No way, right? Okay, but wait, on rendering mode, no, it's still broken on rendering mode. What? Guys, I don't know. This is tilting me. Like, how am I supposed to know what's wrong with this? Like, it's not the normal, like... If I look things in wireframe mode, they all look fine. Delete the polygon and create a new one? I can try, but I don't want to do that because it's gonna mess up with the UVs, but I as well try. Like, that did seem to fix it, but That did seem to fix it, yeah, but why? But why? Oh god, is it gonna be the fucking Goblin song? And I swear to god, if it's the Goblin song. Thanks for reminding me. Oh god, what have I done? No, I've never. I don't think I've ever heard this one. You heard it? Um. If it's Uma Musume, I don't see anything from Uma Musume, so I wouldn't know. Okay, when am I supposed to remember something here? I started to develop an H game. You can. You can. To be honest, doing one successfully, it's very rough. Because there is like so much bullshit in that genre. Okay, I don't understand Panda. Oh? Data. Wait, data. How do I see data? Or is it like over here? Oh, I'm using Godot, Panda. I'm using Godot mainly, not Unity. I used to do Unity, but I'm using Godot now. Or you said here, geometry data? There's... Oh! Oh, Cytec! You're a genius! I don't know what that did, but it worked! It worked! Oh my god, thank you. Okay. I need to save this. Fix. Mimic chess. And not here, but... Where did I have my Blender files? Blender models. Okay. Okay. Well, that's good. Very good that we fixed that. Now what we need to do is I also need to fix the pivot point for this object. Okay, so we have our pivot. Oh, the pivot point for that also broke. Perfect, amazing. Wait. Okay, did you do the thing that I told you to do? I don't think you did. Okay, set origin to 3D cursor, and it's that. And then we go to this one. We go here, and then we say Shift S, cursor to selected, and then we go here, and same thing for the button. Origin to 3D cursor. Okay, so now the origin for this thing is there. And the origin for this thing is here. So when we do rotation on the R, it's that. Okay. Um, now what we need to do is like some kind of animation, which to be honest, I don't know where to do the animation. I could do it in Blender or I could do it in Godot. Do you need like an armored? Like I've never done animations inside of Blender. I'm not an animator, but I just want some very rudimentary animation just to, because basically what I want to do right now is like I want to implement it so when the enemy that we implemented yesterday, this little guy, I want to give him the ability to like open chests. That I'm gonna have to look for an animation for that now that I think about it. And while he opens the chest, okay, like if we the player are the chest, I like are transformed into a chest that's like, you know, hidden like this, where it doesn't show the tongue or the teeth. So like if he opens this and the player is the mimic, then you know it shows an animations where like the teeth and the tongue appears and bad things happen to the enemy. At least that's the plan. That's the plan, but first we gotta figure out how to... Patient. Well, okay, when I apply all the transforms though, it messes with the pivot point. Why? I don't understand why applying this will change the pivot point of the object. Oh well. The scale is fine, scale is fine. Your scale is not fine. I guess just apply location. That's the only one that we need to apply. The rest is fine. Okay. Okay. Before tackling the issue with animations, I need to go to the bathroom real quick, guys. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now, what were we doing? Yeah, I need to figure out how animations work. um, I know you have a timeline here. Um, can you add a keyframes and things like that? But I think all of this needs to be their own object, or do I have to have everything selected? Um, but I could be very, very rudimentary and just export two versions of this model. The version with when it's open and the version when it's closed, and just swap between those two for now, for the time being. Okay, but I wanted to actually... Let's see if Mixamo has any animations that I can use here. Like opening a chest or something. Because now just to test the behavior, I can probably live without having the right animation. Especially because I don't intend to have that model forever. Maybe spending too much time in animations not worth. Okay. Open chest. Oh, we have like opening a lid. That's the only animation that there is, really? Ah, that's not great. Hmm. Hmm. Why will there be a mirror here? Yeah, the mirror doesn't do anything. Yeah. What kind of opening animations do you have? It's mostly like opening doors. Do I have anything regarding animations in Unreal? Like, I know I have a bunch of combat animations with attacks and stuff, but interactions like that, I don't think I have that many. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna see anything close to what I want here. Am I gonna have to tackle animations on my own? That shit's scary, man. These are 17 animations. Let me see if I can find like... Maybe, just maybe we can find like free animations of like opening things, you know? Maybe. You never know. I feel like what I want to do is like so specific, it's just very difficult to find. Even though, you know, a chest opening animation, you will think it's actually fairly common, no? I am. You know what? I'm gonna try to just export this one. Let's see. Let's export it with skin for the time being. Pum pum pum. Para para para. What's the original? Import FPX. We go to the downloads. I should probably favorite this folder. A way to favorite? I know there is a, but it's missing on me right now. Oh, there you go. Okay, well, he's very, 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 very several times smaller than the chess. We should probably fix that. Okay. This guy opens the chest from here. So from here he does... Okay, from here and then opens. Let's position the chest in the right spot and see if we can... Ah, no, it's... Yeah, it's not Y in this blender. Chest of the in this size and enough. I should be a bit smaller. A bit smaller. So if we have... Okay, yeah, the... Sadly this broke. So cursor to selected, then object, set origin to cursor. And then now we can rotate X for this, like this, right? Madre. Yeah. So it reaches here, then he opens it. And then, okay, things need to happen after this. Now, which I do not know what to do. I'm gonna be honest. I know the theory. I don't know the practice in this case. Let me move this guy a little bit. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no. Why is he doing that? Oh, God, no. Why? What? Oh, no. What? Oh, because I need to click on the armature like that. Okay, well, fine. Like, even if it's not perfect, I just want the behavior. Animation has the behavior. That's fine. Okay, because you know, technically speaking, from this pose, all I would need to do, right, is like, I could just like, you know, do something like this. And then, you know, pause it. Like if I could somehow like export this pose like this. Or maybe even better, like the... no, but doing this as an animation would be difficult, wouldn't it? Copy selected keyframes to the internal clipboard. Okay. Let's say that I do that. And this is like open. It. Can I make like a different animation? Or maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. Action editor. Oh, there you go. Here. Can be here where I make a new one. And leave. A subset of the action which is considered to be for this data block. Okay. I create a new action. Oh, it created a new action as a copy. Okay. You don't like delete this, huh? ¿Ah? Ah, yo me lo comí con unos hongos que están ahí. ¿Mm? Pequeño, no sé. Like, I just wanna copy this, delete everything. And then like here, it's just gonna be a pose. But yeah, the pasting didn't work. Guess I have to select them manually and then copy. So here, copy. Then we have to select everything, delete. Paste. Okay, no, that doesn't work. I am confused. Forever confused. I'm not an animator, man. I've never done this. Help. Okay, but I can move these ones here. And then basically just keep the pose. Right? Yeah. Like final open pose. I don't know why I have this unassigned thing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh, are you eating some fried chicken? Is that what I'm hearing? James. Perhaps. Perhaps. I mean, fried chicken is what I consider the most greasiest of foods. Okay, so like from frame 80 to frame 171. Okay, from 80 to 170. How are we gonna do this? And we keep this hidden, and then we're gonna make an animation with only these two things. Oh, to be honest, only the top needs an animation. Okay, if I apply the location, everything breaks, bro. Why? I don't want this to happen. Okay, well. Okay, now, how would this work? How would this work? How would this work? I need to apply the scale of everything, huh? They need to be visible for me to apply the scale. What? No? Oh, that's weird. What was that behavior? Okay, the fact that it needs to be visible is kind of tilting. Okay. Now with the chess selected, okay, we're gonna make a new action. This is gonna be open, like chess open. And what it needed to be is like, it does nothing, but on frame 80, we're gonna insert a keyframe. Oh. No. Insert keyframe. Oh, I need to make a channel first. Oh yeah, I need to just open. So for this, I need to, okay, make a first on all channels. Insert keyframe. Why is it not inserted the keyframe? Then at frame 80, another one. Why is it not doing it? Why is he throwing it back? Wait, what do you mean? Oh, because it's doing this? Why is it not creating the keyframe? Does it actually need to have like an armature thing? Is that mandatory for animations? I can do key, transform. We have move, extend, slide, scale. Yeah. Well, I guess it's because it has no bone. They have to add a bone. Let's see. So if I chest of armature. So if I go here and I parent that to that. Okay. And then I go to the action editor once again. Now this time I'm working with a bone. The issue is like I haven't weighted the bone with the chest and stuff. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna Blender animation tutorial. It's a 41-minute. Yeah, give me a very simple introduction, Blender, please. I don't want to go through a 40-minute YouTube video, man. For this, it shouldn't be a 40-minute experience. Like doing it inside of Godot is actually so much easier. You know what? Why am I complicating my life? Actually, why am I complicating my life like this? I could just export this to Godot and just do it there. Like, straight up. You know what? I'm gonna do it there, yeah. Let's see. File export as FBX. And then what do we do? And yeah, that's fine. Fine. That's not the folder. Okay, let's do selected objects. And then you are gonna need a bunch of materials, of which you already have them, right? Oh god, we don't have them. Wait, we don't have them. Mayday! I can probably save them somewhere. Really? You have the materials here, but you refuse to let me save them physically somewhere else? Godot, come on. Come on, man. You have to be kidding me. That's not nice. That's not nice. Really cares. Extract materials to the material folder. Yes, wait. Let's go. There was a button for it. Of course, Godot is an amazing program. It's perfect in nature. I knew it wouldn't disappoint. I knew it. Up, 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 up. There's a material called Sundukin. What is that, bro? Okay. We have our famous chest. Here. That's all we needed to do. Was that hard to do in in Blender? Why was it so hard? That was it. That's all I needed. Okay, so this will be like our base form, right? Okay, let's actually go to the animation player for this and delete all of this. I mean, mimic s. Say okay, we save that. Now, are we able to delete it now? Yes, we are. Okay. Okay. Now that I think about it, where did you save this? Oh my god, did I just save it in the most random place ever? I probably did. Oh no. Assets are, you know, where are you? Yes, of course I saved it in the most random place ever. Are play before. Okay, let's actually make a new animation. It's gonna be close. And the close animation, what's gonna do is it's just gonna be looping. And it's simply gonna have, let us add up I mean, I think we can just click on the keyframes here, right? Yeah, we can. Okay. Okay, so we select the chest and the teeth. And we go visibility and we add a keyframe. Yes. And then what we do is like, oh wait, what? On each keyframe that we selected, we simply set the value false. So if I play this animation, yes, everything disappears. Fine. And then finally, we go to the desktop, transform, and we're gonna do rotation. Gonna be a looping animation. Okay, and the rotation is gonna change. Gonna be like this. Minus 90. There you go. So it will just be a closed chess. No deal. No big deal. Looping animation. That's perfect. You'll see. Alright. Can I duplicate this? I can copy to clipboard and paste it and then open. And now for opening. About the open animation, I'm gonna have to time it, right? With the opening lid. So for that, we have to import the animations from Mixamo. Make a folder for animations. Never see. Come back. Yo, Ali, how are you doing tonight? Hope life's treating you well. Love surf. The fast surf. Oh, your knees hurt? That sounds terrible. How come? Were you lifting weights? Were you doing like really heavy squats and your knees just gave up on you? That's what I'm imagining, right? That's the only explanation. Those pains that just don't go away like an ache. I mean, I feel like I'm an asshole saying this, but like, no, not really. I don't know. My default state is just not suffering pain. Don't raise. That's so fine. You don't gym, you don't have time. Oh well. Oh, he's back at school. Yeah, that's a pain. That's a pain for a while. How does it work in the UK? Like, how old do they have to be so they can finally, like, you know, go to school by themselves? Here in Italy, it's like they have to be 12. It's 6? Ah, I see. Okay, but why is this not working? What did you do, Ali? Why is this not working? Okay, so for like 2.3... Listen, I'm a bad omen. Wait, I need to write this down. The 2:30 until 5/7? 5/7. Okay. Thanks for coming by. It's always appreciated. So it's a 6-second animation, and then at 2:30 we start opening. And then at 5:70 we finish opening. I guess we go back to 0. Yeah. Okay, it's 0. No, too exaggerated. It needs to be more like. Okay. Minus 60? No. Minus 25. Minus 25 seems reasonable. Fuck! Did I change the wrong animation? Of course I did. Oh my god. I can rename them. I can rename them. It's okay. This is close. Wheel. This is open. Okay, that opens linearly. But are you open things linearly here? Not really linearly, but it's fine. It's gonna work. I'm fine with that. I'll take it. Let's call this Mixamo. Save. No, let's actually go to assets, animations, and we have temp scenes. Oh well, scenes for anim. Okay, and inside scenes of animes, we're gonna have to create, manage animations. This is opening. Lid. And this we can save. Libraries. Okay. Got those. No. Deku. Is there a way I can play both of them at once? If I do something like this, can I? Oh, really, right? When do I have both of them? Let's see. You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. It seems like the scale is fine. It's not perfect, but It'll do. Also, this does not need to be a looping animation. Okay. Let's see. It opens. It reaches here. Oh, why are you doing that? No, 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 Bing Bong. We don't like Bing Bong. I see. We cannot really do that. Urus. Oh wait, so I cannot move the teeth top because it's not part of the... That's annoying. That is annoying. But you know what I could do? You know what I could do? I could probably parent this to the top. But if I parent it like this, it's not gonna work. Like, I need you to be like in the right position then. Like this. Oh, the place again. But they fight. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is like the teeth top gonna be parented to that. So when I move this, it's gonna have the teeth. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. History, yeah. Da, 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 da. I don't know why this is fun. How old am I again? You know, that's not very polite to be asked because I'm 27. I'm 27, James. And I'm doing what? Yum, 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 yum. Like this? Yum, 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 yum. Bro, like, bro, look at it. Like, how can you tell me this has anything to do with age? It's fucking, it's a mouth. It goes yum, 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 yum. Like, this is forever funny, man. It's like peak entertainment. Like, across all of mammal species, this is fun. Like, nya, 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 nya. Okay, bro. Whatever. Whatever, James. Whatever. Go back? What happened? Happened where? The other one? The other one what? What do you mean he was licking his pee-pee? What are you on about? First of all, the tongue doesn't move. Okay? Bro, like, what is wrong with you? It's like, hold up. The position when you opened it, it looked like he was licking. What is wrong with you, James? What is wrong with you? There you go. My food is coming in 5 minutes. They're gonna send me like the fattest screen of a huge ass fried chicken, man. It's not gonna be fair, man. Not cool. Not cool to do that to your homies, man. I'm gaining about 2,500 calories. But that doesn't exist when I consume it. Okay, well. Okay. Okay. You also have to flex like that. Like, did you really have to? Did I ask you to do that? I don't think I asked you to do any of that. Did I? I'm pretty sure I didn't. Like, I'm pretty sure I did not ask for any of this. Okay, so the opening animation is working fine. Let us create open trap, open mimic. Once it reaches this part, once it reaches here, we're gonna add a couple of keyframes here. So we show the teeth. Right? Wait, what? Okay, wait. Why the fuck is this like that? No. That's no. You're supposed to be false this entire time until here. Are they like not linked? I'm confused. Yeah, how come like these are not like linked? Am I gonna have to add like another non-visible one and then Okay. No, wait, that's T-top. There you go. Why are they different from the others? I have no clue, but I'm fine with that. And after they reach here, just turn it through. Show everything. Okay, well, I have to add a couple of keyframes then, I guess. Here, button is visible, and the top is visible. Okay, wait, why is the top not visible? I mean, can I select multiple? I guess I can just do this. I was raised by wolves to lead. Okay, well, let's see how this looks now. Okay, wait, there is something wrong though. It shouldn't be showing at this initial part, yeah. Oh, it's because it should be like, yeah, in the middle of this, kinda. Yeah, I think it should be like here. At this moment, you start seeing the teeth. Okay. I just have it looped just to... Okay, well, this is broken. Why is it not working properly? His bone, just blood. Okay. Check Discord. Wait, what is this? What even is this, bro? Also, a lower resolution picture you couldn't have taken? Like, I have no idea what any of this is, James. I'm sorry. Oh, there is an no, not yet. Also, this doesn't even look like fatty enough. Maybe this is like sour sweet chicken, and this is like some Thai food, like some noodles. And then this one, obviously, I have no idea what the fuck it is.
Legends never die when the world is calling you. Can you hear them screaming out your name?
Okay.
Legends never die. They become a part of
They're kind of synchronized now. Okay.
every time you bleed for reaching greatness.
Relentless to survive.
They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near. It's deep in their bones, now right into smoke.
Okay, I can probably get rid of this thing here, of this guy. And okay, so we have a bunch of animations now. That's good. Yes, James.
Legends never die. They're written down in eternity. But you'll never see the price it costs.
Or at least base. A base mimic chase. Okay. Why is it not playing that? Oh, the close animation is just straight up broken, my guy. The close animation is broken, guys. Let's go. We do that, and then we set up a keyframe for that. Wait, up. I don't understand this. I wanted to change the rotation of this. Are you fucking with me, Godot? He was fucking with me. He was fucking with me the entire time. Okay, now it's working. Okay. You're done? You ate the entire thing already? What? Did you breathe, James? Also, you need to explain to me what the fuck was this? Is this like sweet, sour, something? And then what is this? Like some kind of Thai food? And then obviously I don't know what the fuck this wrapper is. Like, I need explanations, James. I'm not getting enough answers. Okay, well. Maybe the tongue we can make it appear a bit later. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Is it time to code, guys? Hmm. Okay, now before we get to coding, actually, I want to make like needs to be an area 3D, right? So this is like treasure chest, and the treasure chest is gonna have this guy. Build this stuff. You're gonna have that with editable children. Um, and then you are gonna need transformable component. Yeah. But I wonder if I should do something more than just transformable. We do a little bit of inheritance with this. I think we do. I think we do. Make a new script. This is gonna be treasure chest transformable. And we're gonna save it in scripts. Base dot ready. Like, I don't think I wanna like overwrite any of these methods, to be honest. Or actually, oh god, how does this work? Oh, because I wanted to make a treasure chest transformable here. Do I need to do that? I can probably just add a boolean here to handle that, because the issue is like the logic needs to be on the player. It's the player that actually plays the animations. Oh, but there needs to be some logic here as well. Otherwise, how do I... 'Cause I can just go editable children on this thing, go here, say that it's permanently closed, and that's it.
Do we fight to hold our heads up high and beat the drum to what we love? Risk the fall, or we have felt it all come crashing down.
Yeah, this is complicated, huh?
Stars are rising, countless worlds colliding. Only one will take it all. Can we bring to fall the giants? Can we make the final call?
Because I can code open. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna need this.
Dapat veramente.
I also need to put treasuring here. Do I have like any like treasure asset? I think I do. I think I had like some random treasure in the dungeon. Let me see if I can find it. If my memory doesn't serve me wrong. Or maybe it's not here. It was I probably just saw it on Fab. Like even if it's not perfect, I wanna like add like a little, you know, some gold coins on something. Treasure. No. Let's see if I can find some gold coins to add then. Something like this, to be honest. That's just a texture, right? Yeah, a texture will be fine. Ah, but it's a Unity package. Unity package. Disgusting. I don't know. No, we might be able to find it. A sketchfab. Wait, sketchfab is dangerous. Let me. Gold coin. Unlovable. Can I make it free? And there is these piles that look fine. These piles also do look fine. They are like, how do you reach numbers? Oh, they're not that bad, to be honest. But I feel like 9,000 is still too much. I think the best way is to find a gold coin texture. There is a free material made with Substance Designer. Does that mean that? Okay, well, that doesn't really help, does it? All I need is just basically the normal map and the base color and probably the metal and roughness. Yeah, I could get these 4 textures. Pum 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 pum. Where is it? Extractile. Yeah, there you go. That's all I need. Let me. Let me go to my credits folder and not folder but file. I don't wanna. I'm trying to save this. Okay. Now that we did that, we can import those textures and go on textures. Let's see how they will look like on a plane. Let's add a mesh instance 3D. The mesh instance 3D is gonna be a plane. On plane, you're gonna have a material, which albedo is gonna be this. You got this, Godot. It's just a texture. Oh, there you go. A while. Usually if it takes this long, it's better to just do quick load here and let me just load. Wait, what was this? Metallic? Pipe? Roughness? Metallic. Yeah, it's so much faster doing it like that. Add the normal. Wrong. No, wait. Load. Go here, normal. Then we need the height one. Just to sell the illusion. There you go. They look like coins to you guys. I'll take it. They look like coins to me. I mean, I love doing things like this, you know, just faking things at the maximum. That's the one thing that I really appreciate about games is just how much they fake things, man. Like, you know, nothing is real. Look, I got gold coins. I kind of feel like the texture is a little bit... Can I mess with the UVs? Like with the scale of the UVs?
Luca,
6.6 here. Because if I could mess with the scale of the UVs, I could also kind of get away with making the coins look larger, but doesn't seem that I can. Geometry. I could make a shader for this, but I don't I feel like I shouldn't need a shader for things like this. Oh, but I changing the actual scale though. If I change the actual scale though, the coins do look bigger, but then I will need to like reduce this, and then it will just get stretched out like it was before. So it's pointless at that point. No. Like I wanna keep these dimensions on the mesh, but then I wanna like. UV padding doesn't do anything. That's just an offset. Yeah, the only thing will be to make a shader for this, where like you multiply the UVs a random number, but I don't think I'm gonna bother doing that. Gold coins. Let me think about it. How does it look when you play the animation? Well, this makes sense. I know. I think it's much better when it's like void. And it's an actual mimic, it's just void. Okay. Probably what I can do is I can probably add... Maybe on the material can I add some sort of emission? Make it... pop a little bit? That's not quite the effect that I wanted to accomplish. Maybe it needs to be a light? Kind of light though. I have like an omni light. Might be too much. It extends a little bit beside the... Like a warmer color like this. Yeah, I kind of like that. That does gives more the impression of something of value, right? Yeah, that look at that change. Holy shit, actually, that light does so much. When it's close. Oh, I don't even need to. I don't even need to do anything. to handle the opening. Yes, I really like that. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to fix the... You need a collision shape. And you need a shape. To be a box. So you need to enter. Oh no, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move both of them. I'm gonna have to move this and this to the middle. Like that. Yeah. I cannot parent this to this because this is what the player is gonna be able to transform into. No. I feel like the color of these shapes, I shouldn't be handling them like this. Oh, they be through code. What does the script say? Oh yeah, I didn't do... You're inherited from transformable. Wait, it doesn't have a reference to the collision shape, okay. Dependencies couldn't be satisfied? Which dependencies are we talking about? Oh, it's because I... Oh no. Oh yeah, what did I do? I mean, but it's fine. It's fine. I can just remember these values minus that. Delete this. Save the treasure chest that fixes it. And then we just paste this value here. Okay. We are back working again. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. I need to go to the bathroom real quick, guys. I'm gonna be right back. I'm back. I just noticed the green screen is all wrong. Oh well, I'll fix it eventually. It's probably the light that's just not... It's lower than usual. Bring it up. I wish there was a different way I could set it up. Oh well. Anyways, we have a chest now. We can transform into. Yeah, the transformable body in this case is gonna be the base mimic chest here. And the animation player, I want the current animation to always be the close one. Let's see how it's gonna work. Like if I go to here. Andrea. Ah, no sé, yo ya comí. Conté a la mamá. Let's see if it plays the animation. Oh. Not playing the animation, but I can transform into it. Okay, so now, yeah, for the animation I'm gonna have to do something. Okay. I guess we're gonna need a reference for the... We're gonna have animation player. And a string, and this is gonna be the close animation. And then here I need to play close animation. Okay, let's set up this. So that's the animation player. Then we need to set up this animation. So it's gonna have to be mimic s/close. Let's see. Okay. We know that it's playing that animation for sure. Now if we transform into it, we're still... Okay. We're copying that animation that's been... The one thing that I don't understand though is how come it's like not centered. Ah, because yeah, it's not copying. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I think what I need to do, I need to reset this to 0. Oh wait, what's the number? So it's this one, okay. Now we reset it to 0. And then on the basic chest, all of this needs to be moved by that number, basically. Oh, even though... let's see. Oh, why are you doing it like this? Oh, wait, what? What am I doing wrong here? because the pivot point is all messed up on this one. It's not right on the center. That's fine though. I'll probably leave it here. Let's check the animation just in case. Okay, nothing bad's happening. That's good. The treasure chest here is really broken. Nice. Why? It says nothing weird here. It's everything is 000. Ba-ba-ba-da-bum. It seems normal though. Yo, Nightingale, hello. How is it going? Yeah, this seems normal. How come? What am I making? Right now, I'm working on a treasure chest that transforms into. Oh, it's fixed now. Okay. I'm working on a treasure chest that. So, I'm playing this game. I'm making this game where you play as a mimic, and for now this is just a placeholder asset, but the idea is that you play as a mimic and you're able to transform into different things in the environment, as you can see. I need to fix that. It didn't break before. Well, how come it's broken now? Huh. And let me actually move the player to a place where it's not being chased. Yeah, I plan to make it single player. I wanna make like a puzzle game where you're gonna have enemies like this guy, okay, and you're gonna have to find ways to get rid of them, basically. Yeah, how come this broke? That's weird. And yeah, you're gonna have many tools. For example, you can transform into. This is supposed to be a painting. And you know, you can attach yourself to the walls, and the idea is like, while you're in this state. Oh, he saw me because I was moving. Me. The idea is like, if I'm stealth here like this, he cannot see me. I can move behind him, and as long as he doesn't see me, but the moment I get out of my form, he chases me. So I'm still very, very early in development, but you know, that gives you an idea. Story elements, huh? I don't know yet. I wanted the experience to be very heavily D&D inspired. So, for example, right now I only have this guy as an enemy, and he doesn't do much. He simply attacks me, and what else? But in my grand plan, my grand scheme of things, I wanted to basically add like a different kinds of enemies, which is like, for example, like a party of D&D players. We could be like a rogue, a barbarian, a mage, and then you know, each of those could have like different abilities, and you will have to get rid of them in various different ways. Then lore-wise, I don't intend to make this game like with too much lore in mind. But one of the progressions that I thought it would be cool to have, I had in my mind were like, for example, I don't know, if I make 10 levels, right? I wanted to make it so the more adventurers you defeat from like the early levels, the stronger adventurers you will be facing on the higher levels, basically. and you know, on up to the moment where, like, I don't know, the final level is gonna be, you're gonna have to fight like the hero's journey, you know, when it's like the most OP character ever imagined. Because like the whole idea is like you play as the actual monster, and you just have to get rid of people that, you know, in the dungeon for, because you're a monster, you know, that's the whole point. But because you're a monster, there isn't much lore. You're just a mimic. Mimics are like, they're not that smart. Oh, definitely. One of my objectives, like, for example, the world building that I could make is for example, have little dialogue boxes of why the adventurers are there in the first place. Like, I wanted the NPCs to have like a behavior where they just roam the dungeon with the objective of finding treasure, and you know, during that moments, you know, of one of the things that for example I had in mind is that you as the mimic, when you control the mimic, you can trigger traps and stuff, right? For example, I can, you know, click here and trigger a wall on something. So, you know, there are opportunities for when you do these kinds of things, you can have like interactions with the NPCs or like their reactions to what's happening. But it would be cool, you know, for example, I don't know, you, like on the first level, you get rid of some adventurers that were there because they all wanted treasure, and on the second level, you can have like, oh yeah, 2 adventurers that just came back because they want to see treasure, and one wants revenge from the adventurers that you killed before. You know, those are things that I was also thinking. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna implement that, but to be honest, I find it like usually those kind of things are easy to implement. So right now I'm just working on gameplay for the most part. What I was doing before is I was just working on an opening chest animation, which is very rudimentary, but it kind of works. Let me see if I can set it up again. I was working on this. I don't know why Godot sometimes does that. This is not supposed to be visible. Where is it? If I go to this guy and I don't know, I time the animation at the same time. Like I was just working like into synchronizing things. You know, very basic stuff. That's what I've been doing today, just working on this animation specifically. Now, since the animation is basically finished, I just need to add it like through code in actual behaviors and stuff. Okay. What was I doing? I needed to deal with this guy. Okay, by default it's playing this animation. That we know for sure. Because we made sure that it was that way. Here. Now. Wait, let me... Oh no, you know what I should do? I should probably move this back here. Just so it's easier to test. Oh, I forgot to delete this guy. Don't need that for now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's working. I wanna know how come the torches broke? What did I do that to break the torch? Yeah, look, it's pulled into the ground. Why? That was not my intention. I don't know in which moment I broke it. The level, they're still fine. No, they're not. Oh god, what have I done? Let's do... Need to have a vision of this. Wait, it's like TY. There you go. No, but that's not quite it. I need to disable snap. There you go. Is that good enough? No, why is it moving so snappy? Oh, it is not moving snappy. It's just that the units are so small that... Anyways, it should have been fixed now. I wonder... No, wait, what? When did I break this? Right now here is taking the... Maybe in the player itself, that's what I broke. These numbers are fine. And the level itself, the player is messed up. No. Ah, that's strange. The chest works, that works, this works. Well, this makes sense, that's not quite working. Point 15. Point 15 is still below the surface. But I think that's due to the fact that this is still down. I mean, they should be also a little bit up. Okay, now it's fine, but why is the copy not... Okay. Okay, no, the transform body... Oh, it's going back too quickly. The transform is fine. Everything is zeroed. Or maybe that's the issue. Yeah, that's probably the issue because it's zeroed. I changed it so it became 0, so now when it reaches this, uh-huh. I guess I should copy the Y of everything that I copied. The Y should be the same, yeah. Let's see. Okay, yeah, but here it doesn't need to be vector 0, it needs to be a new vector 3, which is gonna be 0, duplicated body dot y dot position dot y, and then 0. I am scared that that's probably gonna break some stuff, but we shall see. Okay, yeah, that works there. Works here as well. Works nicely here as well, but it works nicely here. Okay, no. Oh, that seemed to have done it. Okay. Yeah, just copy the Y of whatever you transform into, and that's fine. Okay. We can go back to working on our chess. And to be honest, I'm sad that I don't have much time remaining today. Like today we spent so much time basically just working on this animation alone. It didn't add much, like any behaviors. Hmm. Wait. I need to think here. Okay, yeah. I realize now what the potential issue is. Because I want this chess to be interactable by the player and by the enemies. Right now, it says conditions, so only the... Okay, yes, I'm gonna have to override everything. And it needs to be a full override. Or well, actually, maybe not a full. You can probably do like base dot process delta. Then ready can stay the same. So I'm gonna copy these two methods. I'm gonna write to do that layer plus value to collide with enemy. Oh, another thing that I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna need like a node 3D just to indicate where the enemy should go to. Like have it like, yeah. Like where the enemy needs to go in order to start opening the chest. Okay. How do I check if the body that's colliding is not the player? I don't know if this behavior should be written here or if it should be written on the enemy. What we can probably do is like the treasure chest basically just sends. It just tells the enemy controller if it's in its radius. And then the enemy controller, based on which status it is, it will do something. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the most sensible thing. We don't do any enemy behavior here, we leave the enemy behavior on the enemy controller. The only thing we do here is that we just give the we just give the enemy controller extra information so that it can actually do something and open the chest. So that means we're gonna have to create some variables. Let's do bool is near chest. Ali! What's up, Ali? I bring bad luck. Don't worry. Right now it's... Right now it's fine. Oh god, are you joining GeoGuessr today? Probably not, because in around 15 minutes I have to go to the gym. So yeah, it's rough. Busy Lior, yeah. I gotta keep myself busy, you know how it goes. GeoGuessr is better than the gym. I mean, I will most likely, if James is gonna stream it, I can probably just mess around and say things like on his chat. Like, bro, that's Zimbabwe, trust me. Oh, did I charge my phone? Yeah. It's South America. Yeah, bro, it's Curacao. It's always Curacao. That's the things that we learned. It's, you don't know where it is, Zimbabwe or Curacao. How is the coding going? I haven't coded too much, to be honest. I've just been designing in my head what I'm supposed to code. to remember. I could book it down. Okay, you know, let's create a method. Public set nearest treasure chest. And back to what? Ah man, I wanna play Persona. I wanna play Persona so badly. Okay, I think I need to check. Okay, actually, if I add this information here, that's fine. So I'm gonna have an export 3D, which is gonna be a node 3D, and this is gonna be opening location. So they said it was great. It is great. It is great. Do you want to know the only issue? I played Persona 3 and Persona 4, so I already know how these games are, but Persona 5 is particularly lengthy. Persona 3 and Persona 4 is already like very lengthy games. Look at this. Just look at this. 101 hours. Which is great. Like the game is actually fun, okay? Like, it's 101 hours that they just pass. But it's 101 hours. You know, it's so hard to just be like, oh, you know what? Yeah, I have 101 hours to spare. I'll commit to playing it. And it's a story game. So it's not something that you can like play a little bit today, drop it, play a little bit a month's time, you know? Because it's like a role-play story game, so you are involved in the gameplay. 101 hours. It's a lot. I mean, I usually end games faster than what this website says, but still, it's like okay, like best case scenario, I finish it in 70 hours instead of 100. And then the issue is, I am sick in the head, okay, and I keep 100% in games. So like, imagine like, you know, just 101 hour game, and then try to 100% it as well. It goes to 141 according to this. Like an extra 50% of your time. Man. And speaking of 100%, I don't know what to play now. Sure, Ali. I'm gonna be going soon anyway. To be honest, I should probably just close right now. Maybe find someone to raid. Because it's getting kinda late. I have to go in 5 minutes anyway. Let me see. Is there anyone that we know that we can raid? Oh. No one from the usual people that I watch is online, sadly. Very, very sad. And I'm scared of talking to new people. I don't know what to do. Nah, you know what? I'm just gonna go. Yeah, I'll continue this tomorrow. It's gonna be fine. Anyways, guys, thank you for coming by and watching the stream. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone. Bye bye.